हाय गाइस, थैंक यू सो मच फॉर वाचिंग माय चैनल द विटी टर्टल। और अभी अभी हम लोगों ने देखा है कि जो हम लोग का इंस्टीट्यूट है ICMAI, उनके वेबसाइट पर अक्टूबर 2021 के लिए जो सैम्पल पेपर है जिसमें कि उन लोगों ने पेपर पैटर्न रिवील किया है वो अपलोड हो गया है। सो यहाँ पर मैं आप लोगों को पेपर 8 यानी कि जो कॉस्ट अकाउंटिंग का पेपर है हम लोग का CMA इंटर का, उसका मैं यहाँ पर आपको बताऊंगी कि कौन से सेक्शन में कैसा आने वाला है, क्या क्या हम लोग का पैटर्न रहने वाला है। So let's start. यहाँ पर basically there are 4 sections, right? There are 4 sections A, B, C and D. So in the first section, that is your section A, what you need to do? There are 20 MCQs, right? 20 questions are there who have 4 choices. Multiple choices है यहाँ पर and you have to take the correct answer. And every question is for 1 mark, so total 20 marks. Coming to section B. In section B, it is written that 20 fill in the blanks questions are there. And remember, no choices will be given in this questions. आप लोगों को ये आंसर खुद से ही लिखना है, right? And this is also for 1 mark for each question. So it will be total 20 marks. Coming to next section, that is section C. Here you are getting 6 questions out of which you have to answer any 4 questions. Every question is for 10 marks. And total is 40 marks, right? Total is 40 marks. So अभी तक कितना हुआ यहाँ पर 20 marks, then again 20 marks and then again 40 marks. So total यहाँ पर हो गया आप लोग का 80 marks. Let's see, जो sample paper out हुआ है अभी उसमें दिया है जो first question है, that is question number 3. It has 2 points, right? In the first point overheads का एक question आया है and it has 2 questions. The first question is for 5 marks and the second question is for 2 marks and total it is 7 marks. And the second point has a question from cost accounting standards. It is for 3 marks. There are 2 questions and each question is for 1.5 marks in cost accounting standards, right? These are only basic questions, okay? Coming to the next question, that is question number 4. Here 4 questions are given to you. All are from marginal costing. 4 marks, 2 marks, 2 marks and 2 marks. Total is how much? 10 marks. Okay. Next is question number 5. It has the first question from contract account and it has this question is for 7 marks. Okay. That format of contract account is given to you and you have to do the question in that way. Next is your standard costing. Next question is from standard costing and it is for only 3 marks. Okay. So again it is for total 10 marks. Coming to next question, question number 6. Cost accounting standard का एक theory question आया है which is for 2 marks. Okay, which is for 2 marks. And in the second point, one long question is there from operating costing. Operating costing से एक long question आया है numerical and the first question is for 6 marks and the second question is for 2 marks. And in the next question, that is question number 7, one question is from joint cost for 5 marks and the second question is from employee cost, that is also for 5 marks. Okay. And in question number 8, short notes you have to attend 4 out of 5. 5 short notes will be given to you and you have to choose any 4 and each short note is for 2.5 marks. So it is again totals to 10 marks. So यहाँ पर section C में आपका हो गया कितना? 40 marks आपका हो गया. Coming to the next section, that is section D. Here you have to answer all the questions. 10 marks. There are 2 questions, basically question number 9 and 10, and these are compulsory questions. Okay, so 10 marks and 10 marks each, and there are 2 questions. Total is 20 marks. So the first question is from reconciliation. Okay. Reconciliation, they have put it in a compulsory question. So now you can't leave this chapter and this chapter is for 3 marks. There are actually 4 questions in the same question. 4 what you can say sub questions are there. So 3, it is basically these 2 questions are basically like case study based questions. Okay, so there are 4 sub questions in each questions. The first question is for 3 marks, then 2 marks, 3 marks and 2 marks. And the next question is from again standard costing, 2 marks, 3 marks, 3 marks and 2 marks. सो इन दिस पेपर पैटर्न यू कैन सी मटीरियल कॉस्ट से कोई क्वेश्चन नहीं आया है एंड बजटरी कंट्रोल से भी कोई क्वेश्चन नहीं आया है. सो आई थिंक इट इज बिकॉज दे हैव put the question, they have I mean this is just a sample paper, that's why there are no questions from those chapters, but in our exam we can definitely expect questions from those chapters. So अभी हम लोग देख लेते हैं कि what is the paper pattern, कैसा दिख रहा है paper. So this is what your question looks like. See, I told you there are 4 sections A, B, C and D, and these are your MCQ questions. I will come up with another video which will solve these questions. See, there are 20 questions of MCQ. In section B also there are fill in the blank questions. So in the first question, in standard cost, dash norm is applied as a scale of reference for assessing actual cost to serve as a basis of cost control. So your answer will be predetermined. Like this you have to fill in the blanks. And coming to the next section, that is your section C. Here you can see जो exam paper pattern था पहले वो अभी change हो गया है. I mean paper pattern as in जो आपका presentation का type था वो change हो गया है. You can see यहाँ पर आपको ये जो tables हैं ये आपको fill करने पड़ेंगे. जो blue ink में लिखा है, these are what? These are your answers. Your answers are supposed to be written like this in the table. Table आपको already दिया रहेगा वहाँ पर, okay? And आपको यहाँ पर क्या करना है, allocation करना है. So like this it will be done. Second question भी आप देख सकते हैं, वैसे ही आपको करना है. Working notes के लिए भी यहाँ पर आपका जगह दिया गया है. So working notes भी you have to focus on those things also. And this is the question from cost accounting standards. 2 questions are there, 1.5 marks each. This is your question number 4, and this question is from marginal costing. And marginal costing में आप देख सकते हैं इस तरह से दिया गया है. And all these questions are from marginal costing. So basically you are getting an idea कि this time you have to you are supposed to make the format, even though not in pen and paper but in the computer. And contract account, okay, you have to make it like this, nice. Calculation of depreciation on machine, right? Working notes के लिए भी जगह है यहाँ पर, okay. And the next question is from your standard costing. Next is a theory question. इतना छोटा सा ही आपको लिखना है for 2 marks. Next is your operating costing. See, this way you have to write everything. And yeah, so next question is joint cost. फिर तो आपका ये short notes आ गया है. Short notes देख लेते हैं एक बार क्या क्या है. First question is enumerate the need for a predetermined overhead rate. Second is cost accounting has emerged as a specialized discipline due to various factors. Responsibility accounting, classification of costs based on behavior, okay. Next is your conditions when profit under absorption costing be what, okay. So next is a very important section, that is your section D, right? Section D में आपको क्या बोल रहा है, ये जो 2 questions हैं, just look at the length of the question, कितना बड़ा question है. So this is a case study based question. हमें ऐसे तरह के questions अभी practice करने होंगे, और इसके लिए भी यहाँ पर हर एक question दिया है. See every question, हर एक क्वेश्चन के राइट साइड में आपको उसका मार्क्स दिया हुआ है, लाइक दिस. 2 पॉइंट्स यहाँ पर गया. पॉइंट नंबर ए, कॉस्ट ऑफ प्रोडक्शन यहाँ पर आपको दिखाना है. नेक्स्ट इज अ स्टेटमेंट शोइंग कॉस्ट एंड प्रॉफिट इन रिकॉर्ड्स. नेक्स्ट है आपका रिकन्सिलिएशन स्टेटमेंट. एंड नेक्स्ट है आपका जो आपको ओपिनियन देना है अपना, वो. अगेन जो क्वेश्चन नंबर 10 है, ये भी एक केस स्टडी बेस्ड ही क्वेश्चन है. काफ़ी बड़ा क्वेश्चन दिख रहा है हमें. सो डरना नहीं है, इसे हम लोग पढ़ के ही सॉल्व करेंगे. एंड या, सो अगेन यू कैन सी इन द राइट हैंड साइड द मार्क्स अलॉटेड टू ईच पॉइंट ऑफ द क्वेश्चन इज गिवन टू यू. हर एक पॉइंट के लिए कितना मार्क्स उन्होंने अलॉट किया है वो भी लिखा हुआ है। पॉइंट नंबर ए के लिए 2 था, पॉइंट नंबर बी के लिए यू कैन सी 3 मार्क्स आर देयर। ओके, सो दिस वे यू हैव टू अटेम्प्ट द क्वेश्चन।